This award recognizes someone who has made an immense contribution to this industry, their own company, and it has also shown them to be a true pioneer, a daredevil, if you will, a risk taker, and yet someone who watches out for the well-being of their employees, their stakeholders, and the consumer. The award recognizes their vision, that pioneering spirit, and to do things that others don't always do and cannot do. We call it our Visioneer Award. Please take a look.
Mr. Pawan Kant Munjal is Chairman, Managing Director and CEO of Hero MotoCorp, the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturer by volume. He has been the driving force behind the company's success for over 37 years. Mr. Munjal took charge of the newly formed Hero MotoCorp brand in 2011, building on a legacy that put India on two wheels. An avid golfer, a commanding business leader, and a popular chief executive, Mr. Munjal was elevated as the chairman of Hero MotoCorp in 2015 and has spearheaded the company's global aspirations with manufacturing facilities in Colombia and Bangladesh. Mr. Munjal's insight has been instrumental in the meteoric rise of the company's sales volumes that prompted 3 new manufacturing plants in India over the last decade. And just when Mr. Munjal outlined Hero's plans to explore new horizons in the mobility sector, the pandemic brought unprecedented challenges in 2020. But the Hero patriarch overcame the odds. The company kick-started 2021 by achieving the landmark 100 million sales figure with 50 million vehicles sold in the last decade alone. While Mr. Munjal is on the road to making Hero MotoCorp a global name, he aims to do so in a sustainable fashion. And that is why sustainability for the business and the environment is at the center of the brand's future plans, turning this Indian manufacturer into a global powerhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Pawan Munjal.
My namaskar to all of you, and a big thank you to Karan Bike Awards, Siddharth, you, and all the jury members here. I have penned down a few points that I would like to say over here to all of you. I'm standing here in front of all of you with humility and gratitude as I receive this unique honor. For me, this award has a special meaning, and it will always have a special place in my heart. You all may be wondering why an award is an award. But Siddharth, you did mention that this is only the second time that Karan Bike Awards is giving out this award to anyone. Why I say it is special for me? The first award, some years back, was bestowed upon my beloved father. Our Chairman Emeritus, Shri Bijmohan Lal Munjal. Many of you have known him, many of you have known of him. As I stand before you, I also remember the old saying, which is a chip of the old block. I suppose that's what I am. It also is special. It has come to me in the year when we surpassed a monumental milestone of cumulative production and sales of 100 million motorcycles and scooters. And for me, for my organization, and more importantly, I believe for the nation, it is a huge honor that an Indian organization was able to do this in only these many years. And as Siddharth, you said, the next 100 is surely coming in this very decade. I would like to dedicate this award to both my parents, my immediate family, and my large Hero family, who are my support, my strength, and who've been egging me on to do what I keep doing. Our industry, we all know, is going through a complete transformation. And I commit myself to keep leading the way for this transformation and leading the way for Atmanirbhar Bharat. I love my nation, but I've also made my organization a multinational global company, me and my team always carrying the national flag wherever we go and keep it high. It is through connections, collaborations, and conversations that we will be doing what we are doing and following our dream and our vision be the future of mobility. With these words, Siddharth, once again, thank you very much for this unique honor. Thank you.